Minisita w'enshonga z'amashanyarazi hamwe n'obugega bw'omwitaka Dr. Ruth Nankabirwa okugamba ebi yaba nakwasa ebyapa hamwe n'amaju 500 ahari abantu abateganisibwe ebyokutebeekanisa okutimba amaju omu projekiti ya Talenga omuri district ya Buliisa. Okurugyerera hari minisita abantu 27 abateganisibwe biine entongana ah'itaka 25 bangire sente nibagamba ngu ninkye kandi abandi 6 bakabuza misho.
We respect our project affected people. We respect the constitution of Uganda. We respect the laws that Parliament has done. And I want to thank Parliament so much for the support they have given me. But we cannot afford not to have our oil off the ground. You are empowering us in areas of agriculture. You have added value in terms of knowledge, of skilling. We would desire that you add more value to our products. This is being done, but not from when next.
But there is a need for revision of the value of land here because these compensations will continue and as more developments will come. I don't think it makes economic sense to keep the value of land.
We just need to support them. We support this government. We support all the activities, that oil and gas activities in our district, but also listen to us.
Omurimo gukombeka amaju gumazireho obuhumbi 47 bitu hariho abangira amaju bari kugira ngo gatandikire kuzamo emishatuka kandi ngo nibenda babateremu n'ebintu ebisya.
It is the house, so you are expected to move with your mattress, to move with your sufuria, to move with your cups in that new house. Please.
Agacencwire kwahe nyumbagi yaka bagingira na rento byaka
Minisita Nankabirwa yagamba ngo Gavumenti neza okuteekateeka acho kushijuma emihendo y'amataka omuri district eji.
I want to agree with him that the government values land as it is at that particular time.
Energies EP Uganda is fully committed to help developing Ugandan resources for a shared prosperity.
Uganda neteekateekwa kutandika okushohoza amajuta okuruga omu itaka omu mwaka gw'2025. Amakuru agagashakwa Ambrose Nwagabakatoto.